So it has arrived. And the question is, what's in the box?
What's in the box?
My good buddy Red Bandana Gaming hooked it up with some goodies. I do know what one item is in here, but as far as the rest, I don't know. So let's dig into it. So, oh boy, he's got a bunch of stuff in here. Okay. All right. Oh boy. What's he got? So, set this aside. This is just the coolest thing ever. I'm not going to review this controller only because Red Bandana has already reviewed this, and that's how I discovered this. So I'm going to leave a link below so you guys can check this out. But I thought this was a great looking controller. Let's take it out of the box. Now it is wired, and boy, it doesn't feel bad. It's smaller than, say, this by comparison. It's much smaller, but I love the design. I think this will be my Mario Kart main controller for sure. It feels fine, feels all right. What else did he frickin' put in here? Oh, wow. Look at that. Now pink. Pink is one of my favorite colors. And this is like, what do they call this? What would you call it? Like pink starburst or whatever? This is really nice. Oh, it's not even open? Is it open yet? I don't even think it's open. Oh, I might have to do an unboxing of this. This looks great. I'm gonna hold back from opening up this just yet. What other goodies do we have in here? Oh, he went all out, didn't he? We got, no way, classic arcade handheld game system, 200 classic games? What, dude? What? What? Does it have a list of the games? Well, I guess we'll just have to find out. But 200 classic games, can't go wrong. Wow, this is awesome. Holy cow. Totally unexpected. What other goodies do we have here? What are these little guys? Oh, nice. Little keychains. Oh, these are fun. Love Wario. Wario is my main in Mario Kart, so that makes a lot of sense. Little controllers. This is awesome. Of course, there'll be a PS2 keychain. Bandana Gaming. Just little cases. Just fun little... Oh, little extra D-pads, it looks like here. Oh, wow. There's another thing in here as well. Little thumb. You put these on your thumb. Put these on your thumb like this. These thumb rubbers. Hey, you know what? I gotta whip these out one night on a game night with my buddies. They'll get a kick out of these. I was struggling there for a second. Hey. I'm assuming these are the same type of things. So those look like they go on the thumb pads. Nice. Nice little cases too. And let's see here, last but not least, we got an Injustice 2 skin for PS4 controller. I'll have to lay that on one of my controllers, for sure. It's got my boy Batman on it, if you can see it. Nice little Pokemon decal, which is great. because I've been sticker bombing my filing cabinet, so that's going to look great on there. Yeah, we got some dye. And we got some rubbers. We got some nice little switch rubbers here for protecting. Gotta love the red. Gotta love the sleek black. Super nice stuff. Let's put this all together. Let's see the swag. Let's see all the swag at once here.